Alright guys, I'm late. 2020 stash. Usually people put them up earlier. I'm a little late this year, been busy running around, hustling. But 20 years of messing around. This is probably the second stash video I've done, so kind of new to it. But here we go. I'll start with some older canister shells and stuff. I got the double breakers. I got a mix right there, just all fused together, ready to go. I don't know what this is. Barking. I got two 6 packs of the blue cans. I got the hot dogs, frog balls, old school one. Probably hold on to that. I got the willows. I got a Rambo kid. I'll probably hold on to that as well, as it's old. Be high, good stuff. Of the 200 grams, I got some Autumn Drizzle by Premium. I got Black Thunder by Big, Blazing Pyro, Pyro Demon, World Wonders Premium, Autumn Drizzle, and Thumper's Fisherman 500 gram. I thought I had the Desert Heat, which is the other premium one, but I have it somewhere. But I'm probably gonna hold on to the 3 or 2 of them. I don't know. See what happens. Who knows? I got fruitcake. I got the best friend. 2 rainbows. Revenge. A howling wolf, which is just a banger. Another rising flowers. That's old school too. I got a Trump, a pig, March. That's the hog. I got the greedy one, and then I got this military secret. That's from last year too. I didn't light that off. Symphony of Colors. I got 2 of these COVIDs. Desperate Attempt. That's old. I forgot. Look at that. What a dope. I covered the one but left that open. But oh well. It's well known. 2 Dead Heats. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 alerts. I got a Monkey Business. That's 100 shot. I got the Sky Overload. Another one. It's old. And another idiotic move where I hide one with the label and leave the other one open, but what are you gonna do? It's an old one too. I got this one, 188 shot, sunflower, I guess you could call it. Then I got this guy, which is, I think it's 298 shot. Cow Break the Bank. There you go. I got this guy. That's a GBA. It's another larger boy. I got this one. That's the pink bird. Looking forward to that. Now I got the good stuff. This guy. 3 minutes. Ready to go. I'm sure everyone knows the deal with this, but looking forward to it. I got about a dozen of these coconuts. Those are 3s. Then I got a full case of the size up. And then my last piece, although I do have more, I'm really excited for this one. As soon as I saw it, got my hands on it, I was ready. And this one is 25 shot, 3-inch peanut, uh, brocade crown with a 5-shot finale. Looking forward to it. This thing's badass. It's big. It's beefy. Oh, didn't want to show that, but I'm ready for that one. Looking forward to it. So here we go. There's a little roundabout. Here we go. I'm actually upset. I should have got more 500-gram cakes so that I could spread stuff out. I got too many 1-1s, I guess. But, oh well. See what happens. And the best part about this is I did not pay $1. You can take that to the bank. I swear on my left nut. That's what happens when you bust your ass.